Hi Todd, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss the advantages of integrating both traditional and social media to improve our communications plan for Maple Grove subs. I believe that social media is an excellent tool to connect with customers, and I hope that you will share the same sentiment after this presentation. So a quick overview of the topics that I'll cover. First, I'll provide a little background on social media and the various platforms. I'll then compare traditional and social media and explain the advantages that come with using both. Next, I'll provide a couple examples of successfully integrated campaigns, and then finally, I'll explain how all of this can be applied to our business model. So what is social media? It can be defined as a series of platforms that allow users to connect with others in a variety of different ways. It began in early 2000s, and it has grown to where 69% of all internet users have some type of social media. So some popular platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Facebook is one of the most popular platforms, and they can all be separated into a variety of categories like social networking or a blog. Like I said, Facebook is very popular. 79% of American internet users are actually on Facebook. So now we understand social media, let's compare that to our current scheme, which is traditional media. So whereas social media is a two-way communication method, traditional media only allows for one-way communication. This means that customers can provide you feedback on your social pages, whereas traditional media only allows a message from your company to be spread without any response. It's also an open network as opposed to traditional media's closed network. Social media gives everyone the ability to join a conversation, but only a few people get to hear a message through traditional media. Communication style tends to be bottom up on social media, where customers submit their feedback to the head of the company, the business owner. Traditional is top down, where the company dictates the message. Social media is free to anyone to use, and you are free to post whenever you want, while traditional media is typically paid for and scheduled to release at a certain time. The two are very different forms of communication, but together they can create a cohesive campaign that extends to all customers. Integration is really key when it comes to communication. So the tools that we are previously familiar with from our traditional media can be combined with social media to create a holistic plan for Maple Grove subs. One benefit from integration is the ability to engage in personal conversations. Like I said before, it's really important to respond to customer feedback that they have already been posting online about our company, and we can create an ongoing dialogue with our supporters to really receive their insights and apply that to take our business to the next level. We would also have the ability to display our traditional media on social media. Combining the two would help us to maintain consistency and reach both our customers in person and all of our other platforms. This also allows us to really build on our company's brand and achieve our mission to provide the best service to customers. So the following are two examples of how big name companies have found success through integration. The first is Wendy's Tweet for 1K campaign, aimed to successfully launch their new chicken flatbread item. They challenged customers to take a picture of themselves eating the flatbread and post it on social media with a hashtag for a chance to win $1,000. So Wendy's combines social media posts with TV advertisements to advertise their new menu item. And as a result, their engagement on social media significantly increased, and they also saw an increase in the sales of their flatbreads. So another example actually comes from one of our competitors, Subway. to combat the complaints that they've received from customers over the exact size of their footlongs. Subway launched the So Much Sandwich campaign through digital, social media, and TV advertisements. They really wanted to promote that customers will receive the biggest bang for your buck with $6 footlongs, and they achieved this through their integrated approach. So if Maple Grove subs were to advertise all of our services that companies like Subway don't offer, such as delivery, we would reach an even larger audience on social media and really convince them that our service is the best that they can find. So how does this apply to us? Well, we can start by promoting our social media through traditional media by adding social logos to our ads and to our company's email signatures. So it would really allow us to grow our following first on social media and inform all of our customers that they can share their experiences online. In addition, Maple Grove Sub social media can feature consistent and unique hashtags to really brandish a campaign or any promotion. Hashtags are a really easy way for followers to engage with the company and follow our messages threads. To promote our online services, we can include website links on our social media. If customers know that this resource is available online, if we link to our delivery site, then our website will receive more visits and customers might take advantage of that service more often. Another useful tool is a QR code. Customers who come into the store can scan that code with their smartphones and access our social media pages or a special coupon or promotion that we're having. It's a really easy way to interact with the business, and it encourages customers to come into the store more often so that they can scan their QR code. And finally, social media would allow us to produce long-form print or TV ads and to continue on our platforms. Over the past year, more and more companies have made traditional ads into stories that were then finished on YouTube or on their other social media platforms. And it's really an engaging way to pique a customer's interest. If they know that the ad continues online, they'll be more intrigued and follow us on social media to see what happens next. So it's really an engaging way to see, what we do here at Maple Grove Subs. So I really hope that you have seen the potential for Maple Grove Subs to grow as a business, and I'm really excited for what the future has in store for our company. Thank you so much for watching.